Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love suffers first casualty as Bola ship breaks up because of money. This is certainly not the best time for Bolanle Babalola and Henry Arnold fans of Ultimate Love reality television show, as the promising union has reportedly hit the rock. Out of the couples that went out of the show, it's only Bola that have ended their relationship due to misunderstanding they have been having lately after they left the house. It was rumored that Bolanle threw out Arnold from the hotel room they were sharing. The news came as a rude shock to many of their fans who rooted for them during the show. According to Bolanle, Arnold left the hotel on his own a day after she celebrated her birthday. She also revealed that there was a plan for them to share the ₦1 million gift they got from their fans once they settled together, and also use part of it to rent a house. But to her surprise, on receiving his $500k, Arnold denied not knowing anything pertaining to the agreement. She also stated that $330,000 was returned to the fans who felt they were insulted by Arnold's public ranting. According to her, there was also a time they agreed to go on a break due to constant fights, but they settled afterwards. With the way things are moving, the relationship between Arnold and Bolanle is as good as gone, all because of money. I'm so disappointed. I actually thought you both were way too mature. How can money destroy your friendship? To think about the amount is small compared to what our fans gave their favorites. Who goes around defaming the character of someone you once claimed you love? The way you handle issue has only proven one thing: you have got a lot to learn about life. Wow. Man, guys, this is really serious and intense right now, as Bolanle and Arnold no longer see eye to eye. They've gone their separate ways, and there's nothing anyone else could do about this except to hope and pray they come back together. But I don't see it happening anytime soon. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop.